What's popping, guys? My name's Andrew with another awesome video from Infovids back here, and today I'm going to be teaching you about animation keyframes. So you're probably like, what are animation keyframes? Keyframes literally make your video come alive. But we don't stop there. Keep watching. Back to the question. What are keyframes? Keyframes indicate the start or the end of a transition in a shot. A series of keyframes can give the illusion of movement of an object. Keyframes include several parameters such as scale, position, rotation, and opacity. These values can be adjusted and tweaked to make animations using keyframing. Even though keyframing isn't a walk in the park, Filmora makes it incredibly easy to use. Even beginners can use keyframe animations to create cool videos. Plus, the keyframe templates are an added benefit. If you are short on time and you need a quick fix, using presets in the animations tabs are your best bet. Luckily, this tutorial will walk you through the steps of using keyframes to make your own animation. First of all, you need to set the position of the image you wish to animate. And to set the starting point, follow the next steps. Download and install Filmora as always. That is, if you don't have it. Launch it. In the Files tab, click on Import Media and tap Import Media Files. Drag and drop the video into the timeline and set the position of the video or image. Segment 1, Step 1. Adding keyframes. Once the starting position is specified, it's time to start adding keyframes. Move the playhead in the timeline where you want to start animating. Double tap the image. Go to the Animation tab and click on Customize. Finally, press Add. A circle will appear in the timeline indicating a keyframe has been created at that point in the timeline. To animate, move the playhead and move your image to a new position. A new circle keyframe will instantly appear on the timeline, as you can see here. In case you want the animations to be fast, you can drag the keyframes closer to each other, reducing the distance. A shorter distance between the keyframes will make the animations faster. Similarly, you can increase the distance to slow down the animation. Suppose you don't like a keyframe that you created. There's a simple one-click way to fix that. In the Animation tab, go to Customize. Press the arrow keys on either side the delete button to reach the keyframe you wish to change. Now change the position of the logo to a new one. Play the video to see that the keyframe you changed to the new position you selected. Segment 2. Animating scale, rotation, and opacity. Apart from position, Filmora X allows us to customize the rotation, scale, and opacity. Adjusting these values can give our animation a very refined look. The process, however, is simple. Move the playhead further on the timeline. Change the rotation value and a third circle will appear. To make the animation complex, use the arrowhead to go to the first keyframe. Set the opacity to 0. Now it'll seem as if the materializing image is from thin air. Add more complexity by moving the playhead further along and pressing Add. No line will appear because all the animation attributes are the same as the last keyframe. Move the playhead further and set the scale to 0. Now play the video. The video will shrink to disappear. Cool, right? Segment 3. Deleting keyframes. Sometimes you wish to delete an excess keyframe or to erase every keyframe to start all over again. There are 3 easy ways to do that. And the first method is the Animation tab. Use the arrow key to select the keyframe you want to delete and press Delete. Timeline. Right-click the keyframe and tap Delete Keyframe. Reset. Above the timeline, there's a reset button. Pressing reset will erase all the keyframes. Segment 4. Preset animations. If you don't have time for customizing keyframe animations, you can use the preset animations for a quick fix. Go to Animations and in the Preset tab, choose the animation and drag and drop it in the timeline. Drag to increase or decrease the distance between the keyframes to adjust the speed. That's all there is to it. So keyframing can bring static images to life by introducing animations. With the super easy keyframing tool in Filmora, you can now make cool videos. From basic to complex keyframing, Filmora has got you covered. The customization feature lets you unleash your creativity and take your editing to a professional level. Make your logo pop by adding keyframe animations. Better yet, you can also animate text. Alright guys, that concludes this tutorial about animations. I'd appreciate it if you shared what you've made with keyframes. Drop this video a like, and if you haven't got Filmora in hand yet, then download it for a 30-day free trial or with a one-time payment. It's worth the money. Although you don't have to pay a cent to watch our tutorials. If you already haven't subscribed, please do so because it'll really help the channel on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that bell icon as well so you know when we upload great content. Thanks for watching, and I promised I'll see you in the next awesome video of the playlist and in the channel. Happy editing!